The tourists around July 2008, sanctions and what you are far by me, not about me, the running. So, you cannot predict who will be the running. I don't remember the section about them. I don't remember it can be possible. I don't think about because the case of who becomes the running mate, it's a matter for the NPP spirit to determine. Let's go back 2008 again. We had a sitting president. When we flagged that in December 2007. So it was August 2008. That time when people was in power. No, you know, running it. What I say? At that day, they will be done. I'm not going to be that. And that will be so. I bet you I said, don't have no alone. Everyone copy everybody. But the MPP spirit, two solo start here. I bet you about two solo question. We talk for us. I said, or the man call not. On the national council. And so about it because of the conduct of the national council, then they have to go back to the drawing board and do the divination again. Because the running mate, I don't know how party is. The party has selected the flag bearer. And no, luckily for us, flag bearer no have more than flag bearer no or bubbling with youthful as you brought. It's your baby. On number B, we have been to number B. Don't let me say the blue, but we have baby and making a start. Because every week you find me on FM station. Every Saturday, every week, because of the week, Bank Sakura, every station, they say, and then what I said to project the this is number B, so project the
Observe way na na obrebo ahem na bi atwam no ye twetwofo pani abedi akire e ma osono kokoko MPP amanyuku no
Ora Felix Oforisuo kwache kasade mayor John Dramani Mahama and wo kire mu se ora Richard Japan hu sensama fa no ambulance no a ene ina no wada kora poko kan ye wo court se woni attorney general kodi nkomo ane de ka ka ho no wo se won mo bisa papa no abono a wo kire se de ogina no ogina ensam biara ni won mo de atudwa e wo court a sam no anya no kura de biara da na no kura se woni attorney general ekotena se di nkomo ama nkomo no wache no kura no ho voices ahodo no endisi amanyoko no ade apiedwa enam so nti no wade tudwa akere se yewura Richard Japa anansem a wade atudwa wo court no wom de ombetumi aka no masesu dua sanse papa no de wo ka nyina wo so da so gina de ogina se emu bie ne hono mu a enye no kure.
That the Attorney General wants to see that Mr. Japa is doing this in retribution for what he believed to be the Attorney General's failure to keep his part of the bargain. But the point is that Mr. Japa insisted that he has not said anything that hasn't happened. If I have discussions with you and we agree that you will do something and you fail to do it, and I come out to say that we agreed that we will do this and didn't do it, I have not said anything that is not true. If it were the case that Mr. Japa was saying things that have been proven to be untrue by the court, then you could say that some damage has been done to his reputation. But as of now, as far as he's concerned, he has not said anything that did not happen. So whether he was exercising a right of reply or his right to react to what the AG did to him is completely immaterial in this regard. What matters is that is he saying the truth? What is he saying? Is the AG able to contradict him?
Where aye Ora Felix Oforisuo kwache no wakasa de mayor John Dramani Mahama.
Na buzian for Asem Kro ya ho ne nam so ma ban lawyer pani abedi chiri yewura Alfred Chen yebo asoso no ede na no atomo bi awoye ne asam no se ne esi kone nkomodi a ekoso wo court nyina no Ghana for monim asem Ghana for masomo a enti yesoso yemfie ni mfam ne yemfie asontoto fom ne yentieti asem no na yenkeka ne yemansi ani ne yehunu de obedi bem ne de obedi for so pani Richard Jakpatimi kan semwa ekoka so no de ofa ne se Attorney General no so the first row no so the befa from no crowd the nija na nanom chese ni ade ama chese bosom sem ni suma sem ni sunsum ensem gina no wo de ababe piepie court man no and abalo ya pani abedi ekire yewra Africa ye bo ekire se de ekọ nyina no Ghana fo yemfie ni mfam ni yehu ba bia asem be kwa akosi.
You make your own judgment out of what you heard. You heard issues about someone operating in the underworld and someone using his legal skills, declaration of war against the Attorney General. All this came up. So, interesting proceedings. That is the prerogative for Attorney General, and we use witnesses that we think will further our cause. There was no decision to use him as a witness. The only decision was to use a witness that we have penciled to call. We tendered what we had on our phone, 100%. If he has others, he knows what to do, because he's still in the box. We'll get there. They are documentary. We'll get there. Today we'll go to a certain point. So we'll come to the chapter 3 and you hear all those things. I think it's quite unfortunate, to be frank with you, because that Declaration of 4, according to him, whether he is acquitted or whether he's convicted, is declared that war. So he has put us on notice. And so the needed steps will be taken. AG has not admitted such a thing. And so now that we've heard it in open court, you will take the necessary steps. We'll take the necessary steps. That step, when we take it, you'll get to know it.
Fontiwe ya ban lawyer Penia be the Yura Alfred Chianyeboa and not yet in game.
Aboakye North Municipal Assembly no asase etu na more the 4 man no yekua ye ho. Wo ma kyerɛ sɛ sɛ ye be na kua ye adwuma no bɛyɛ da bɛyɛ akɔnɔ na obi bia da betumi de ne ho agye mu nti no. Akuafo ba sɛ ahanso na asɛmpaduoson ya wo ma wa akyem kokrantum die. Wo ma bomoden a ade kubenua ane aya benua hodo bia kwa akɔm mama wonom sɛ wo mu nu aduasa ne ye bɛyɛ a ebetumi aboa na emu atumi atrɛtrɛ awakyem kokrantum ho. Na aka ho bi ama Alhaji Umar Babs Bodinga wano municipal chief executive officer ewo Achem North Kroponi mu wane Sompa kase akasa acheche mu se we no krampo ka ho a na se enuaba wodo ya omode akọ Kroponi mu no ayama akomako empemaduanan miensa 43,000 ya wonmo hwa ni mu se emfie bi adu ya ni mu de ba no won betumi acha be se 70,000 na boa mo my Ghana kuaye adwuma no emu atumi atretre
ebe ya se aban edi sika putin be hye we mu na sabi odi chamokwa na ebinumu edi akosi ho a sabi womo a womo anua a omudi egu ho a eye waste ebinumu mesi ya nya ntie a enche ye be ma BNI any national security ebe call rounds obi a waji abenu a onua ya odi egu fie no ye beba baby san ho asem because ye di ma say ye mamu keke ika obako obia benya 1 acre at the moment because across board enti acre no e was 60 pieces of seedling and abaku bia ukoto a 25 cedis 25 cedis multiplied by 60 no 1,500 anasika dada no aye kanu 50 million ena omampani edi hye obia bottom ewo ha me did say a part of the start and also no I have my cancer mature a requesting for 150,000 coconut seed way abenonso we are looking for another additional 70,000 because already you will pay 70,000 ya chedida say say 4,000 ye eka ho we are moving around 43,000 seedlings and coconut yache within a 1 year grace period from somewhere July 2023 till date.
Why aya bakra chepanyini ya wo Aboakye North Kroponi mu onmonya fal Haji Umar Babs
Yademo eko NDC amanyuko no so atena ye Professor Jena no poko agema na yetu apamu de ma mpani dada John Dramani Mahama afi abatu no mo na ose magana for me nakra na yadwene ho da si ye kwa akoto aba bi odi MPP amanyuko na MPP de o ma ye ya ye pa ye ho a ye hunu ya sene mu a kese Ghana mema se krumu a ye tete de obi afon wa na ye fone if say ye nya bibi ne ye de ato ye yem na ade no so a wo kwa akoto ne bo no untimi nte basa no a na yeso obi ade ne nsa sunsum na no tete wo no mo a obi anka na hwesu da bia na amanfo mu na sa prof ere san semi tujawa bra na okasa ewo eye dwumedie kese bi ewo enkra pompone mantem
manifestos in the past, so when we said it's a people's manifesto, we meant it. You know, I keep saying you can just shut a couple of us in a room for a couple of weeks. We can draft one for you nicely. But for whom are you doing this manifesto? Does it include journalists? Yes, it includes journalists of many areas of focus. But how about the women? What is worrying them that we should know? And if you don't go and talk to them as a group, how will you know? So it's not that you lack ideas. No, those are childish reactions. We are a serious party. And that is why we are engaging all of you. It tells us that we need more time. And she's been working all year, no leave, no rest, and carrying this load in her. Somebody's growing in her. Maybe she needs even more time. So please, it is something that we are very worried about. We are very interested in. And now that we are also thinking of a 24-hour economy, for me, the benefit is the flexibility that it should offer young women. Why do I have to go to work every day at 8 and leave at 5?
Observe to way Professor Jenana Upuku Ajiman, one year running mate edema, and this Yaman Yukudim Penida John Dramani Mahama, our fee abatunimo.
I don't have more money that sell a watch scientists here. What my gun in one material ewa bind so near kind of sir condition of service. No, one market to your money allowance. Who to be a warm shiny moo, Sanka bind the bema warm one on my and ma and I can't be a warm material ewa bind so. Yaka say medical laboratory professional workers union. Panyepa ya church rodema one doctor Cephas. A quarter no day out to jar at your set National Labour Commission and to a one mutuo. Now one more shall one more catcher, son and yata. One more was a strike, and one more con wombe jem. Now one must answer con you must acquire my yatia. One more bonus show. Never seen if you bonny ye for a wap on she will be hunubintia and go be mobile pa. Near one more from one on come here, say. I say, enter a buying huntino. Woman said be no sabi produce a enormous. Ah, yeah, was your fun trassa. Now so your trassa de hunwono. One much also more cano. One more so wabusia. Womo shama ehwe yere no moni ade yes akwabase won man fa bia nkwa aya na meda womo pa enti womo sra National Labour Commission se womo de nioma begu nsane ani no maka bia ma womo musika samatumi agina womo hwe no mo nkana de womo kekana de enye no enum betie.
Frustrated and disappointed.
Of course, I am in a very difficult situation right now, but I cannot also say that I will not do my work as a leader. I want to use the opportunity to also talk to our directors, HRs and administrators at the various hospitals that we work with them and we are their employees. If we have difficulties, they should be speaking for us, not we going on the rampage before they know we have concerns. The intimidations happening in the various hospitals should stop. People threatening that they will not validate people's salary, taking people's positions from them as heads of department, asking our members to vacate their accommodations and all that. I think that we haven't gotten to that stage. But if we are pushed, if these things actually happen and we are pushed as a union, we are going to react. We don't want to see what is happening to happen again, because we are really worried about seeing our pregnant women on the streets helpless, seeing cancer patients helpless, people at the National Cardiothoracic Center helpless, foreigners who have come to access medical services in this country are all stranded. We don't want to see these things happening, and that is why we want to have an agreement that will address our concerns.
Why are you church for the Medical Laboratory Professional Workers Union, Dr. Cephas Akoto?
For Nanki, I see a beco monosonian Dr. Franklin Ama Akwakudi and Komo. Dr. Franklin Ama, a Medical Laboratory Professional Workers Union for no or more a vice chairman. Nanki, I say, Yaden beco monosonenki Akwakudi Komo Kakra, Ringina a Sans Semia Epia Bonting, Sase, Abaya Shasi, who no womo, and Pedifobia Shasi, who no more, a popo money, a digu almost says or man, almost striking, and sincere and some Kwajuma, or Makachia, or more if you are multi team or more bungalows, no, any idea don't budget dear through a month. Nanki, I see a beco monoso, na any Dr. Franklin Ama Akwakudi Asemi Hunkomo, Nanka, ya jinchimu, say a yehifa, a your monk for me, Juma, Banya Sabia Hodono, and you know more, sir, and I saw more year Juma, a war a year in sorry hospitals, no, and ye your mosa na, and a region bay, Mantam Bay, and as I only know, I shall see a coso. Observe Puso Humano, say any Dr. Franklin Ama Ebedi and Komo na ya jenchemu efa eye ehunehuna we ya ye tete se ase eba omo enkrofo so efa womo atuate no womo ewumu no efi na no dwada na eba na beto dwa se medical laboratory workers ede omo kukuru omo kaka nyina gufo a na nyina ye omo condition of service wasem so omo dwuma na omo ye no omo akatua ehunwanam ene adeade omo nse de hunu papa bia ebi kra ni honomo ene mpeso magina so de aye adwuma ene no mabɔ no a na komunim sefe wages and salaries commission ne atena ya ehwa apedie ne adwuma ye ho nsensem enkom bebem na nka omo akasem no amana fi honomo no empanimfo twitwi omani ampe ho asem wanka na ene ya omo akeka omo ho akosraake no ena se omo ede ehunu a eba be popo omani egu omo so se so omo antwe adwuma na nsensen na omo ankwa adwuma omo ene omo entoaso enya adwuma ebiewu na nka ye se ebekwa omo no so ye ne Dr. Franklin Nama edi enkomo or vice chairman edi ma ekuno na onyamaye na entuto mu die obzafo me enko omo no so ye hwe se ye ne doc ebedi nkomo kakra ewa omo no so a Dr. Wiye ma good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Aja.
Doctor na ho te say. Doctor na ho ye.
Yemi adom me ho ye.
Ye de radia se enesoso wode enkwache. Na doc mo strike yi besine Stella Monte Feweji Senka. Monte Minister for Employment and Labor Relations. Monte Obianka na.
Ose bia ko duni se enra Labor Commission ye branding nji ye ko ye. Labor Commission the directives atuga. I was saying, you know, you're fair now, you're the edma. And no one who buana, yeah, you want the committee, and I'm calling you, Benusana. Mafa.
Oh, Fache, your dog. Now, Labor Commission directive, no, day, almost on your day.
The Labor Commission say, then take immediate steps. Now, you call it off your strike. And strike. Enye mpanimfo na fresh adwumayefo na wom wo fo ho na fresh strike no enti enba hia se ani die mu no ye kom nan so na ye church o mo ni amasi no mo ti asie na se ya den ko ben cross ya Labor Commission aka ye mfanya adwuma na ye adwuma se dodo na so adwun ye o mo se ma ye mfanya adwuma ya asimpanimfo no ye be church o mo se so better honey. And so editum says I never corner. There
now, doc, ya tese mo members ni bi ase yashase ehunehuna omo threat omo se wan hwe omo salaries kra no ye mfa ma wo mu omo bungalows omo titim ye begie from omo nsam ye se bi kra ye head of department kra no a ye ehunehuna omo se wan hwe a ye begie positions na from omo nsam mate sa asem wi se mo members ne de ye omo ni
ya titi bia na se mefa sa kwanya isu atu adwuma mpanyimfo se de omo ya no a gross misconduct. It's a misguided conduct. Strike is a legal right of every worker. And so, in as much as you know, you cannot take the laws into your hands and also misbehave. And so, let's first now, if any of such things come to our notice, we will report that misconduct to the National Labour Commission.
And the doc, directive here, National Labour Commission in Dema Muye, and neck meeting a Muye. Good news, bet me free my bar na say be a ma call of strike. No,
so as you been for the local judge say, yeah, breast ye bet meeting a young for no more jatum. But me as it will be a median in there. Largely, no bumpire say at the long run, no decision now, but it will be reflective of the directive as submitted by the National Labour Commission. Make us say one man a TT and crop for now, one more demote now or more threatening of salary. It's misconduct. You see me, they call National Labour Commission. Wow, and they say, Omoka Asem na yam fair needy amawum, na a science cohort. Then yanya imwaye papa fi ho enti we nyina ye di koso chire yenkofo no so mbetiase na largely no decision I betiki no in the interest also of the common Ghanaian various reflective of the directive as submitted by the National Labour Commission.
Yo. Doc, me na wase mo meeting so ye ni di akire bibia ni so yo that's for into way Dr. Franklin Ama and ye no akwakodi nkomo no medical lab adwumayefo no nyina omuku kese no one ye vice chairman eda wo mo ano
Ghana Air Commission adinka aboamane Central Shamudie ye koso ewo nkramantemu na no wo amane se enei emane mama yam ye ni na wo paasa abo wo sanse ya de kan se HIV no se ne sibi mane muso ewo magane mu no ano aya kwakoye den na ne nyina so akwakoye awo sam se enipa won monya mfinhia no dunan dunso dunsia de kopem na duanan so no ena sa ya de we ahyase e kyekere wonom ne nyina na kwakogina se enei eho de wo no ekofam afenso krampo no se obi na obi kwakohia wonam wo no ya boye ho ba wo mu no sa de ne nyina so ye jejayi a ede wo haw kase ebre wo mayi na asaminti ye kwa ma no so ne president edema Ghana HIV and AIDS network ora Ernest Amoaben Austin akwakodi enkomo oban kase amwa ha o
you never make so
na wapomu ye de
but me ho ye para ho so e
Janadaro my ensu ekrekrem pa menem sa Ghana AIDS Commission one mama ne bo a wo mo bo no matipi na wodi ade ayam hyehyia na abato Ghana fo so sansa so obi pia bonten no okohu ababa wa bi na wona na agya keka na nioma tom so wona na kwampa so a we be ye hu sansa wonim woni a wakofa no no se wo bi anase woni bie no emu asem no akwakoye den de ama Ghana se ye betumi agye atum saa na mo ne wo mo ye adwene wo nkonta ne ade a wo mu bubu ehu
yo am say edi kan no mechia ye motie fo no ahwefo yin ampa Ghana AIDS Commission the sa ubutabu figures na bata abontin ama yina yatibi na Ghana AIDS Commission we no na edins also pa because we a civil society organization and you know yo mo keni na no yenim se wo hwe method of UCB edigi am calculations no mo estimate na UNAIDS US Africa na jumaku a ohwe ma yebi HIV ho nduma no omo mu so ma sene na omo ye saa hwehwenu nti figures na batu de ne ye hitum se ampa correct figures
na wanya yam hyehyia de ma o mayi saba bia ye dru nipa ba se every 25 years de kro HIV adokro wo mo
idea hu ba se ubekari a beye 20 years ago na ye started campaign no na ye prevalence no edoso sin endekra that time no na se ubekari a na ye bodero say every day enimpa 200 enenya yare no nyamin chai de sisi abapom kakra sisi a se wo hwe a every day nipa 50 enenya yare no because wo hwe figures na ba na say eba you know na me say nipa 17,774 which means about 18,000 so here calculations now I say ampa every day be nipa 50 enenya yare no hu de but so hwe be bia yefi na be do sisi ana ase abakom kakra but because so abode ase man for say so bi enya hwenye because so hwe last year figures na 16,000 tineke yesusu say nka we no buy no ebeko from na mbom akọ 17,000 which means as a yare no percent some man who bio enti the best man for so bia enya ahweyi
ahweyi no asa nanse ho de wo no ye wono se kofom kakra se bia ye be kyerɛkyerɛ anase boy ye be ka kondom asem no obi kɔ no akwakoto bia anya ne fere anya ne niwu se wokɔ pharmacy akwakoto bibia te saa madawro ma ade na ma ho de wo no nanse asa ye ntie ye sika sem ana bibi foforo ho no ayenim
You mean about the thing say, yes, that is na ye body room, na ye global fund, and a so ya sene. Na a baby no by 10 years ago, a debano, and the global fund car say, they will never work. See, I clients are more no. Almost so see a grow at the moment. In grows the board in pa. In the global fund, Belfast are a canon. I able to no. Name are buying a share, no soon first share the robo in your moon, some able to have body rule after a year. In the global fund, seeking up the money now, after the Obdina in blue at the Mayan. A buy side next of the Mayan, near the body rule, a whole and a way assembly. I buy 8 million in his size canoe and Magana is commission. My being so and so. Other NGOs also moment we and to be more a year rule. Sabakaya, ne second national HIV and AIDS fund from 2016. Yakaka to buying and share my yasa fund. See Yesika, you look me that boss a rule. Sanka buy share me national HIV and AIDS fund now. Increasing Kebenyas Magana AIDS commission. And Mamuki abo Sade rule now. Who say ya na is that?
Our Panyaka says, I can want some Yakwaban say ya. By chin and ye no net or how can so bray. Yet to memu force will be quack for being a quack dabequaco retri, no quaquata hoyare. Ye quay and nimu no whatever more, I didn't was here ye. To memu for can cousins are by dear, and what in carcass a more bonny punua, and yadia will be more.
You. Enti bia Ghana HIV AIDS network ye pese ye di campaign bi ba ye friend say 50 minus me 50 minus me ni na ma say ya ja tum say Ghana ni ba 50 na enya ya HIV every day now so me die me yi me ho afimu se na ba ya sa 50 no me nkwaka ho ye pese e bode ro na obia eji no hu efi saa 50 no mu me gidi say so obia to me ji no hu fi saa 50 no mu a afenye ebenya from 50 to 0 enti efi ene kono obia fashion adwini say ye 50 minus me die saa 50 no me nka ho na kwanya e be paso a bitimi achieve 50 minus me ne say obia nya hweye the ABCD of HIV prevention. 1, yes, sir, who ye, say, beauty pemagra, and the who cry, but we say abstinence. Number 2, yes, be faithful. Say, only obi oha, mundi the crema muhu, because say, muye nipa you, ness obia ya yenibi, ness mudi the crema muhua, but not say after bois, obia in ya yenibi. A question answer. Se won to me show ho so dia eno die obeye bibia se odu condom abo ho ba me pere se wo ye se o pere no nya yare na ensusu so de bre ono enshede anko yi sa it is go to prevent ya na nke ye so bia to me and talk condom na offer bod ho ba mo bia en pere se wo hwe Ghana demographic health survey report now chese condom so no a couple of cra among for and share and talk on the bomb whole by but and also there yet till be alpha parrier and twin chain that's a won't reach your hosa not talk on the never bomb whole by Dino say do not share a sharp object and you know maybe you'll be you back home maybe you'll be you so pass back home a bayanka who ye pedicure manicure one casafa on Yamako a bayanka who you see a saloon. One casafa or machine call, Senabeya only obia and share any sharp object there.
You. Our Panyakasi about was Sir Waja Bracher and some sentinels. Our wife one well crown and walk on Yasa or Motana or Moya Juanambua. And our wife ending the great among na Mobia Copo GH na Encopaya Arabia Emba or Mudin the great among you. You're a dancing over no daje.
Yo, Mr. Mudabasi.
I was your way, you're Ernest Amwabe Austin, no way president at the Ghana HIV and AIDS network, and an answer day. Just a word, you're over again. Oh, now, was anti, Yabba Madia, we have a Jimoboso. And in some way, can you know, Yatinti, Yabba Maya, dear Nabajamoboso. Yabba Maya, dear, oh, Yati, Naka, General. Yeah, see a bit. Now, so only I check on my own count, so make a home. What can hold Quabe? Not a day. Not a media bank quite safi. Oh, Minya Suba could be an unfair new Zui. Empire, I am one to say, Monvampire entirety. Monquamoquia, Bontia, Monvampire, Monquamonte, the Mamma family, the Bethy. I was here 21st clinic. I can for the amount, say, one way a sciatica expert. I walk out with sciatica, Diano, one bet to a sea papa, paddy, a few woman, what all, or to a sintin in her how, a motor chon, a Joa, the about number of Mojo, Babia, and Yama, 9 more do, just so the abo, Diano. Showing a cell back 21st clinic in Chadokota for Nabe Pa. One benya daju when the Pedriana Quan, one massageno, Ama, a sans swagin. Subim. Kumasi wa Shova 6 Junction, Wabaya for radio, Wabwasuba who more council quarters, Squat Junction, and Cradama Market, Sunyan and Kranzana Techiman, for 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 Cloud Internet. The fastest internet in the world. Yes, Brian, now internet once and some cloud, one no more. Now, engine na super. CCTV camera, so ye install be the mount. Digital security locks, web hosting, and internet once and some be at I cloud internet in that one, my bemu. Well, top high. 111 from Dish anymore from 0202 699 110. 0202 699 110. Through a herbal center, through a core capsule saba. I walk master drew. Sisiadia neha walk okonia yam timono. Shasa ubenya through a core capsules and no one nom a bebo. A bayin in a free war or 1 hour besides the sin also walk up a jama on ferracra. Call Qualinac herba and herba misty herba near Pidank. For 0546 107 107 0546 107 107. Yakwa for few more Mizone 5G in Yentobie. Yamfan Concordanum and Mananum, now Wama Pomodeno and Sipping Sita. Our fair engagement outdoor in what the new work was one. Showing some Mizo and a 5G was here, and only another dear Yajatum se a japa. Franapan do drum 0246 270 221 0246 270 Our fair Dr. Abe Watana so a patapa new site. Wabaya Patapa Junction no. Was say your dear baby, what day can say your dear no? Home from when I'm from what to a seer. Bama what the NY Brana. Fiber neha was Sabia try dear. Hania and a dear beada your body second son yanata. Dr. Bessie would to a senior me at them show. Or about talk cry and some summer beam. What on a swap at up a son of dick I can you know. From 0243 345 392. 0243 345 392. I will say, you know, where Sonia die hotel. Ya buy the dear catch, you know, ever so.
21st clinic yes sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia be si ase ho no se ho techima eno ene ye fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bia enye na no na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia baso bo magine wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa Womuji international awards ahodo womuji local awards ahodo na anu nso na womu be the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim hano ebi ni baby agi se 21st clinic nkwa womuji bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama ade ba ko a womagidi womu pa no sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade Ghana ha baby a womu ho 0540 311 311 0540 311 311. There's a 21st clinic. Woman is sciatica expert.
Introducing Mixer 5G Sparkling Drink, a whole new refreshment in a can. Mixer 5G is a tasty non-alcoholic drink. It is a perfect companion for all your events, including parties, weddings, and funerals. It is made with green tea, ginseng, guarana, grapes, and grapefruit. Get refreshed with Mixer 5G Sparkling Drink. For bulk purchases, contact 0246 270 221. This advert is FDA approved.
Brakasa ye duabon waso a ne dwumedi wo nipadua biara pom den ene na brabo mu ne hienye pa enye brakasa nko nuaba ne nhaban bi te se kwunsusu a abonwono ne dia akeka ho no kura enwanunu ahodo a ekwa animu yi ankasa brakasa ne sa nuaba yi binom ne akeka bobudi afa abefo kwan so a ye de aye brakasa powder siesi nipadua na baako ahodo no ho ban afri mpani yade ne yade ahodo pi ho fa enkodate de ma baako freduane anopa ne anwumre anafa enkodate de ma baako woni sushie yeti anopa ne anwumre wobra wodidi awie ubenya prekese powder to Kingswalk Herbal ne Heroes Herbal Accra Okesi Drug Lane Dani Herbal Kumase Mensa Takrade Mose Pharmacy ne Greenlight Pharmacy Sunwane Cash and Carry Supermarket Asantoa Herbal ne Bibidro Depot Techiman Sewa Herbal Mampong etufo mfre 0550 19 15-14 prekese powder aduane san ye dro FD ahwehwe sankratu mu agi atum
Sompa TV Emma Aketiapa.
For ya sama mako ababia ba Sompa television ye wi aprem to breka so yento asom fama money fama nko seshi yoso abato empesua so Western North Mantem no mo ya tese MPP ni NDC wanchu bi ababeto won montem efise de wogina de ama MPP amanyuko no seshi yoso abato empesua so ya tese ni nua NDC ni no a ono susu wogina de ama NDC amanyuko abato empesua no so no ahyase e bone ntrene se so ye rofu a wode ne nkwa betwa so be yina firi wono mo amaje se kasa na kwa ye pi no a enam so ma kasa mafo de ma de wogina de ama MPP amanyuko no you also about on Pesua so Ra Festus e Japan Buma Nkuma dodo na friend say eye Buma 1 ne kasa mafo pokuware Steven acheche nsemu e de akire de ekoso pa ababe wie se de ogina de mendisi amanyuko ye video e de koto social media so say ohie owura ne ba bia obegene nkwa e de afri ne nsemi
NDC parliamentary candidates for Serioso constituency Kofi Bente ono de ensenye buntu ntina oba amanyo sey ade a oba ise obetwa atro aguni mpa ni mase na ode abepetumi se ye hu se wa twitwa videos bi a wacheche akọ media houses bebre ode atoso se owura Festus man kama Japan one na ekwa kansi na asoma nkrofo se omumra boaku na omumebu ono ne na titafo asa asemwe enya nokre da biara ye omu ni se ene asem nche egu so ene se yemya ba ko a owo boaku a ye friend money do na friend money so an ena eni asem ho one nipa ba ko a ye friend na na boache ono so wo boaku enya akasakasa enja akasakasa no mu na na boache no ebo no ena osan ede ne nkrofo ekọ mani so anfie se akomo san akomo ne bie na oni ho no mo se ni dan mu ma ono so ene ne namfofo ekọ ese omo so ko hwe nkrofo a eye na na boache ene ne nkrofo a omo be se ni dan mu ma na omo so die nti omo ba no so no omo ko bi so asem no esi ye no in fact some media houses cry after Boaku South Assembly member
Abzianfonti weye Steven Opokuware okasa edema Festus Buma Nkuma wojade ama MPP amanyuko no wose yi so abaton peso so ena ocheche nsemu seye no na kwabona musa so ye obi a de ekoso nyina wonemu bie no wo kire se asem no a akwakoduru se wesi mekun we no oso odwene ho a wonte ase asem a ebeto sehwebu akwa assembly man oni obi nenya wo masem ya asem no nnua bi a omo kwa papa akobubuo eho asem eno ma ya ma sese de ababe MPP ni NDC a ababe duru se we so obeku we we so obeji we nkwa ede afri ne nsem no
bo akoko mo yim se police station ko ade nti ne report case na up to date assembly member wo bo akoko ye NDC ni a wonye kampi ama yenya abenter wodi atuka se enye enuafo obo mutu enua omo ntokwa na asi nti eye den na afeedie yenya kofu bente sorry ye se yasuma MPP fo se mebolo obetumi abo MPP ni ba kunti obetumi abo MPP ma wenyina eye ntokwa no a afro yase wontimi nuoma wodi se o ka sire ntokwa na ebia ni mu no wontimi yewura buma etwa kwa nso go tu nsuo waye school desk amankoda no woni na no ye komere ba do school dan ho eye ni di obetimi ya ye na nisu adu no wono no so be ye komere ba do school dan ho ade nti no pese go gu MPP fo ni mase wa report na ye chi MPP fo do a ye be bro no e be si da so ntimi nka ho be we nyina kire se asem no omode tu owura buma so no enye no kore
Abzianfo nti we ye sehwe so abato mpesua so MPP amanyoku ne fe ohonum ena ye tete wo mo enken
ana no power de achebe adwumade so ye o ma hene yodubu achetena se Friday special so no nyomtoni aka na sa nana sai dodo no abone mrane na si wono ana ba ya wono na twetwe enkomo na dodo no ano ekoko wie se papa yi se wo hwemo pa no a afibia mfie na bia ne ye ba beto ba wodanyomba na ananyom no so nyina da akwa se Yaw John Dramani Mahama ana ya no oboma no ana na no ada wo na apoyi ode ba ye agidi pa krofon so de twiso amane koyie ewi a kire kora ba akubi nso ode bebo omuo mama den kyese na nyom wankasa de atiapo ya kyese ahomeka enso wo muo na ano ana wo man ne yodu boche ana na twetwe nkomo abisa ne sa aso Yaw John Dramani Mahama de ne wo hu no wonmuo ya Asem Mpe Nipa no watabo nwoma no na nwum ni nyina so hetie ma Ghana fo de twiso ana obeche nse papa no seni osibi ne tie na nkane na namfosam na jawone ne ya adamfo good morning papa ne adeade a na sesi ano de wafa ne se ja ama ono so afa ne se banti so wo ya ade ama no a wonwinwi ho kura woyi na koma mu hwehunu sa de bia da obeye de ama Yaw John Dramani Mahama no ebetumi ahetie Ghana fo begia tum na sanso aye de entinyame ya domo a ebi kura afia bato ebeto no enwum ode beba no ene so beye bum.
He approached you and he said onyana
no
okay
me even crown me political songs at me way it started from MPP way back. It started from President Kufuor 2000 and 2004 2008 and I'm joining another campaign team. Believe in Ghana, we yet toured the whole Ghana.
Yeah.
Oh my dear no. And you know NDC 2011 and President Mahama of Fami Adamfo. And then 2012 and I'm here EDB Emano.
EDB John Mahama DB.
Yes. And 2016 yeah Onapo. Yes.
And also the another part.
Oh my dear. And yeah 2020 Okada no
Okada
yeah.
Okay
and you know
and all your songs are punchy
yeah nti near where omunyina ya menamfo be wonamfo both sides ni nyina and near opese me yama on obisa me a me yama
so even PP cast omuhia nwom na yama ma
me yama because Biji this a microphone yes MPP for about month for MPP microphone and this is some form of
and akunyana kra na MPP tia chan this tia
what you say you know me so me run studio me quarter equipment if you abroche ba no ya nchro MPP and NDC won send me rent studio ne the microphone enyo to for ba e be record o monyo MPP ba me ho mo to some me clients or mo be ye
that's right.
I was away and tuni na see and your turning king.
Observe for Yemfa Kasian Konko wie wo yenuano musumifo a wo mo atukwan akwakopie eye meka abonten so areho semo a yetete difri honomo abusua de yate enne awie ene se Ghana for yenuano musumifo mo atukwan akwakopie meka akwakobompa ye asrechwedi amponyankrompon alase ontonsu papa mfangu o mai so no yate se emunsia afrim eye enra ene ya munsia ena afrimo openi Abdulrahman Alasana wono ene hwani amansa di nkomo ema hashboard no ene ensemchefo di nkomo no wache se no kre se Ghana man adehia ekoye se ekwa kobompa ya asretwedi amponyankrompo Allah ensam nsira ede ama mayi ni mu adehie no emunsia akwa kofrim na okire se Saudi Arabia bonten so awomo ewo no yesese ne ewiemu hia esi ayewiemu se ne esi ayehie no eburadwene ene ntiase so a otena entena na sa Ghana fo ye afrimu na dodo no a ewo eye Saudi Arabia kura yesi efrene Madina mu eho ena omo ewo yesi ehwa ayehima otena demo a entena nteduru ba bia mpata na omo abobo no na ne agise udwa ho saa na otiase na edu ba bi kura no a heat ne bro so a agise bi omo fa service fo no ebe peti nsu ede egu omo so eno na sa nkrofo yi omo entimi heat no a enam so ama omo afrim no sesei okay kan ya madi si ani a Ghana fo makoma kudumi ensa omo ko haji ena afrimu na hajj board mpenimfo kire se sa nkrofo ye afrimu nyina soso no enye omo a omo efa hajj board mpenimfo nsam ena ekoye connection sem no okokoye wie obeduru onom no na fe bebi a wotena eni bebi a wokwa akohia na omo mpaye ne omo na munto so mutu no omutu na akwa edine ede amomo na akwa fa wene mu nyina ba na so mpenimfo guso ye nhyehyeye ede ama Ghana fo a omo ewo Saudi Arabia ene Mecca abonten eso
ani na ye general husami so na den sam no wasia sede kodi ama kuku Veronica Janto kosua so moya Grace Buzi ani ensam for Penyoro Asante Aboa Benedict akosua ejewa kodi aboaten ni medin mene
nana ya Aboa Malibi Aboga
abusan so Sompa nkomo etwaso.
Here in Ghana, when it comes to chicken, the good old days